Hello, in today's video I'm gonna do comparison of different microphones side to side so we can see which one is best for you. Hello again. So in today's video all I want to do is compare the quality of the microphones that I currently have. As you can see, I own a couple of different microphones. I reviewed all of them, but now I'm actually interested how they compare side to side with the sound quality, and I'm gonna let you to judge which one is best for what you need. So in my first test I'm using the microphone that is embedded inside of this Sony camcorder. So the first test is gonna be coming out of the regular Sony camcorder. My second microphone is gonna be Comica Boom XU. Microphone number 3 is gonna be this Comica. Number 4 is gonna be this Underseen microphone. And this is gonna be the last one, a wireless lavalier microphone that I recently reviewed. And all the links to all the microphones I'm gonna give you on the bottom of the description of this video. Okay, so I'm recording from about 6 feet apart. Comica is not connected yet, so right now the sound is coming straight from my Sony camcorder, and I'm gonna switch to Comica. Now the sound is coming from my Comica Boom XU, and I'm going to attach it to my shirt. And so now this is how the sound sounds coming straight from Comica microphone that I have right here. So test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3. You should be able to hear the difference between the previous sound quality and the one coming from this microphone. So now the microphone is Comica VM10 coming on top of my camcorder, and this is the boom type of microphone that is pointing straight towards me. So test 1 2 3, 1 2 3, test 1 2 3, and I'm gonna switch to another microphone. Okay, and now another microphone on the scene, a microphone from my vlogging kit. And this microphone again is mounted on top of my camcorder, is pointing towards me. It's kind of boom type of vlogging microphone that is located on top of my camcorder, and I'm gonna switch to the last microphone that I have. And now this is the last microphone that I'm going to compare. This is the wireless microphone that is really tiny, small microphone, which is very handy. I'm gonna put it right here. And the other microphone, the receiver, is basically plugged in inside of the input of microphone inside of my Sony camcorder. So again, this is test of this wireless microphone, test 1 2 3, test 1 2 3, and then you're gonna be able to judge which microphone is best for you, which one gives you the best sound. And I'm not going to be playing with any audio. I'm just gonna put it all raw data inside of my Sony Vegas program. I'm gonna just cut the videos, but I will not touch the sound. And you're gonna be the judge of it, which one is the best for you. So I added this video in my Sony Vegas program. As you can see, I have 5 channels coming out of my Sony camcorder. All the microphones are stereo, so they only have one track, which is number 4. Decide which one is best for you. If you're looking for a more comprehensive review on each microphone, I'm gonna include the description for each microphone on the bottom of the video. Some of those microphones I was testing outside, so you can hear which one has the best noise cancellation options. Other than that, I want you to be a judge which one is best microphone for you. If you have any questions, send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer your question. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video. Subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching again. Goodbye.